I'm Gladys Kizia Kwazanga from Malawi. According to the recent reports, less than 30% of women are involved in science and technology. Therefore, I'd like to find out how ASLM is inspiring and supporting young women in Africa to pursue their careers in science. Thank you.
ASLM is dedicated to enhancing laboratory practices and public health outcomes across Africa and offers several programs that support and inspire young women to pursue careers in science, like the internship program and the ASLM Academy. The 12-month internship program is aimed at empowering young professionals in laboratory medicine and diagnostics. It also provides exposure to health system strengthening, pathogen genomics, and diagnostics for infectious disease prevention and control. The ASLM Academy is a platform offering online and face-to-face training for medical laboratory professionals, focusing on delivering practical, problem-solving learning packages that support the advancement of knowledge and skills in laboratory medicine. Through these initiatives and many others at ASLM contributes to creating an environment where young women in Africa are supported and inspired to pursue and excel in scientific careers. We invite you to make use of these opportunities at ASLM. Thank you.
What advice would you give to someone who's interested to learn more about your field?
My name is Mariamo Assane from Mozambique. I am a Master in Biomedical Sciences. I would like to invite young people, and especially women, to come to this area, which for me indeed is a very exciting one. You learn about the microorganisms, about the diseases, and about the interaction between them and the environment. But also, you learn about lab techniques. The lab techniques for me are very special. I love lab. So, with this knowledge of lab, in this case, you help physicians and medical doctors to give better outcomes to their patients and better quality of life, of course. But you also have the country or the countries to control diseases through surveillance. And also you contribute to research in a very, very big way. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Kapesa Magdalene Lumai. I'm a biomedical scientist interning for the African Society for Laboratory Medicine. My question today is, what opportunities should girls take advantage of if they're interested in science?
Young girls who want to pursue a career in science have different opportunities that are available to them. It starts with the science subjects at school. It is important to focus on these subjects because they are the foundation of that career in science. Identify a mentor who is already working in the science field because they will hold your hand towards your chosen goal. It is important to participate in different activities which focus on science. These can be career days, workshops, science clubs, because you meet similar-minded people and you can discuss your chosen path. Today, the world is a global village through the internet. There are different workshops that are being offered where scientists come together and they share ideas. Participate in these activities so that you can broaden your mind to reach your targeted goal.